friends, welcome to our channel Physics Lover. Today I will tell you something about a journey from classical to quantum mechanics. Classical physics is based on basically a Newton's three laws. The classical mechanics explained you successfully the motion of classical bodies. Example, macroscopic and microscopic terrestrial bodies that moving with speed very small in comparison to the speed of light. To explain the wave motion or fluid motion, Newtonian mechanics was used. It was believed that the laws of nature and all phenomena occurring in nature can be explained on the basis of laws of classical mechanics. But with the discovery of electron, the explanation of atomic system started, but classical concepts do not hold good in the region of atomic dimensions. So the classical laws cannot be applied directly to the motion of electron, which is not observable even with the help of instrument. The classical mechanics also fail to explain the spectrum of hydrogen atom and spectral distribution in black body radiation. There were so many effect which also failed in classical mechanics, like photoelectric effect, Compton effect, could not be explained by the classical physics. So, in 1900, Max Planck introduced the new concept that the emission or absorption of electromagnetic radiation takes place in form of discrete packets of energy that we call a quanta. So, after a failure of classical physics, we have came to a new concept, a quantum mechanics. There were so many hypotheses. Planck was able to explain the black body spectrum by using quanta hypothesis. He derived radiation formula for black body spectrum using quantum theory, which was not explained by classical physics. It explained the energy distribution in black body spectrum at all wavelengths. Then in 1905, Einstein used this concept to explain photoelectric effect, which was also not explained by classical physics. Thus, dual nature of electromagnetic radiation became established. Planck's quantum hypothesis explained many atomic phenomena successfully. This theory is known as old quantum theory, and it is a mixture of classical and non-classical concepts. It failed to explain complex atomic systems. The newer theory of quantum mechanics is based on two principles, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle and Bohr's complementary principle. A particular form of this mechanics, which was developed by Heisenberg in 1925, it called a matrix mechanics. Another form of quantum mechanics is called a wave mechanics, developed by Schrödinger in 1926. Although matrix mechanics and wave mechanics appear to have different mathematical theory, but they are equivalent to each other. In 1945, a more developed theory was accepted known as quantum field theory.